You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's turn on YouTube comments on your phone. First, open the YouTube app and find a video you want to comment on. If comments are disabled, you'll see a message saying so. This is set by the video's uploader and you cannot change it. To enable comments on your own videos, go to your channel by tapping your profile picture, select your videos and choose a video. Tap the pencil icon to edit. Scroll down to find comments and ratings. Tap on it. Here you can choose allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, or disable comments. Select your preference and save. To manage default settings, tap your profile picture, go to settings, then uploads. Tap advanced settings to set a default comment policy for all future uploads. If you're on a phone browser, go to youtube.com, switch to desktop site in your browser's menu, and follow similar steps in YouTube Studio. Remember, you can only control comments on videos you own. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.